I'm making classic French toast today, or whatever my version of classic French toast means. But I know you've seen a million recipes making French toast. There is one little tip that I have in this video that I think will make your day just a little bit better if you're cooking for a crowd making French toast. I've got my eggs, I'm adding some milk, cinnamon, as well as a little bit of vanilla and a spoonful of sugar. I don't measure, I like to eye it out, but that is the consistency I'm looking for. Now here's the big tip. I do not like to take one piece of toast and dip it into the bowl and then put it on the fry pan or the griddle, because I don't want one piece of toast to be cooked before the rest of them. So I'm only making 4 right now, but you can do this in a bigger sheet pan and make as many as you want. And what I do is I just keep flipping and pouring until it soaks up all of that goodness. And now I've got all 4 ready to go on the griddle, and it's just going to make my life easier because everyone gets one hot off the griddle at the same time. I've got my griddle nice and warm, and I'm going to use butter to cook these, so I'm just going to give it a nice little even layer and have it on low to low medium, and I'm scooping them up so that I don't rip my toast. That way the spatula does all the work and I don't need to have my fingers all sticky and icky either. A beautiful cook, a couple minutes per side. That is all you need for these gorgeous little French toasts. Now, I absolutely love adding maple syrup, so I gotta have a little bit of that. And I should have used a sifter or whatever those things are called to add my powdered sugar because I really wanted powdered sugar. It could have looked a lot more graceful if I had done that instead of just spooning it on. But it was delicious either way. Now that is a stack. I am in love with doing this method for delicious French toast. Now I'm gonna dive in. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you next time. Woo!